I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. This is the situation we're in. It's really steep, really slick on the metal. When you're working by yourself, please be careful. Even if you're working with somebody, be careful. You don't want to be hungover because that's the same as drunk and then you're not in your faculties. You don't want to be high. A lot of roofers are drinkers and drug users, and they fall off the roof and they get hurt and they don't have no workman's comp because they were testing dirty. And I know why you do it, because there's a lot of pain. You don't last very long in this if you do this trade all the time, same as concrete work and a number of other jobs out there. God bless you all. I don't want to do it all the time. The heat is horrible, and concrete and roofing is hard on your body. Probably carpet, another one, hard on certain sections of your body, and high injury rates. There's a number of others, guys. Please be careful with yourselves. Pace yourself, because life is a marathon and every day is an adventure. So hopefully I helped you with that, and I'll see you another time. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.